Always natural lemons. It's more fresh. These are two different ways to drink it, on the rocks or with water. Ice always first to chill the glass. Mojito, the original recipe with sugar. Tom Collins, I prefer build it in the glass. Also, you can shake it. Fernet and Coke. But Wallet is your boss. You can choose another cola drink. But this pair always is inseparable.